The 2002 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, front wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.